Highland Schottische setting is occasionally used in country dances. One step takes 2 bars of music. Setting to right and left takes 4 bars. The second part of each step, bars 3 and 4, is exactly the same as common Schottische setting. The supporting foot hops on the spot on each of the first 4 beats. The working foot extends to second position on beats 1, 3, 5 and 7. The rhythmic pattern is side behind, side in front, step, close, step, hop. Side behind, side in front, step, close, step, together. On beats 1 and 3, the working and supporting foot land at the same time. Good turnout and a strong extension are important for the proper execution of this step. We are about to see the coupé movement. The word derives from the French coupé, to cut. A coupé consists of an extension of the leg to 4th intermediate position, a spring onto it as it is brought back beneath the dancer, and a simultaneous extension of the other leg to 4th intermediate rear position. Here we see 2 coupés to the right and 2 coupés to the left. The heel of the foot extended to the front must make contact with the instep of the supporting foot before displacing it for the extension behind. The complete step is composed of a coupé to the right, followed by a pas de barre right, and a coupé to the left, followed by a pas de barre left. Coupé right, pas de barre right, coupé left, pas de barre left. Watching from behind, we observe that the coupé extensions to front and back remain at the same angle. As this step derives from the Highland tradition, it is acceptable for men to use appropriate arm movements. This is the Glasgow Highlanders setting step, associated with the dance of that name, which we performed in our video Performance Dancing with the Red Thistle Dancers. Step forward onto the right foot, bringing the left foot against the back of the right leg, knee well turned out, and hop on the right foot. Step back onto the left foot, bringing the right foot up against the front of the leg, and hop on the left foot. Take the right foot behind the left leg and step down onto it. Step towards second position with the left foot and bring the right foot in front of it. Hop on the right foot. The rhythmic pattern is step forward hop, back hop, behind, side in front, hop, forward hop, back hop, behind, side together. Step forward hop, back hop, behind, side in front, hop, forward hop, back hop, behind, side together. Note that the steps are small and restrained, and there is little movement of the upper body. Here is the ladies' version of the Glasgow Highlanders setting step. The first 4 beats are the same as in the basic step: forward hop, back hop. The second half of the step is danced turning, behind, side in front, hop. Note that the last 4 beats are danced as small steps, not as a pivot